Lobster Lover Ultimate Culinary Guide. Lobster Culinary Guide, a taste of luxury. Welcome to our Lobster Culinary Guide. Well, take you on the mouth-watering journey through the world of lobster. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a home cook looking for elevate your dishes, this guide is for you. First, let's talk about the basics. Lobster is luxurious, yet simple to prepare seafood that can be transformed your meal into the unforgettable experience. But cooking it perfectly, that's where your magic happens. Step 1. Choose your lobster. Fresh, live lobsters are best, and you want them to be active and latent. Well, you want about 1 to 1.5 pounds of generous serving. Step 2. Let's get cooking. Lobster can be boiled, steamed or grilled. Each method brings out its natural sweetness, but carefully not to overcook. Lobster is at its the best, it's just tender and juicy. Now, let's talk flavor. Lobster pairs perfectly with butter, garlic, lemon and herbs, but don't be afraid to get creative. Try it in pasta, on the salad or even tacos. Here's the pro tip. When you cook lobster, keep the cooking broth. It's packed with the flavor. It makes the perfect base for your lobster bisque or sauces. Lobster just tastes like luxury, doesn't it? Now, that's all you armed with all the lobsters known how it's time to get cooking. Don't forget to share your creatives with us by tagging Lobster Culinary Guide. We can't wait to see what you create. Follow for more delicious tips and recipes. Happy cooking and enjoy the luxury of lobster at home. Catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching, Mrchefsubra.